everyone, hope you are doing well. So today I am sharing with you my last minute quick makeup tutorial without applying any foundation. You can also create this look for office, college and shopping. Whenever I feel lazy to do makeup, but I need to look good as well, I do this makeup most of the time. Hope you will like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share and please subscribe. So let's get started.
Hello.
First, I already washed my face. Now I take a few drops of Trendy Top Oil Primer and gently apply it on my T-zone. Let it dry for a few minutes. I already use Vaseline to moisturize my lips. Then I am using this PS Perfect Color Concealer and apply it on my dark circles and little pigmented area. For blending, you can use also a brush, but I prefer to go with this blender. Make sure please don't use a beauty blender dry. Always soak it in water and remove the excess water, then use it. For more coverage, I took this Maybelline Fit Me one shade lighter concealer. Then I am using this Maybelline matte powder. Take a little bit of powder on the same blender and apply it under eyes. And with a brush, lightly set the rest of my face with it. I recently bought this beautiful and affordable contour palette from Ustar. I bought this from Douglas shop. I never used before Ustar products, but now I really loved it. It has a 3 palettes, 1 contour powder, 1 bronzer and 1 highlighter. With a contour brush, I took a little bit of powder first, then applied where I want to contour, then I applied little bit of bronzer too. Now it's time to draw my eyebrows. For that, I am using this Catrice Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. First, I draw the both outer lines and after that brush them and fill up all the gaps. I didn't draw heavily, just left it to look natural. I am using this Lakme Absolute eyeliner to draw my eyes. Now I use this beautiful Essence mascara. It makes a really huge difference in my eyes. To draw my outer under eyes, I use this black kajal from DM. Now is my favorite part, it's blush time. I am using this Super Glow Trendy Top Back Blush. I recently bought this and I am really happy with this result. For lipstick, I am using this Maybelline 285 shade Smoke Saffron color. And with a lip liner, I managed to make this finished look. And your easy and quick makeup look is ready. So hope you like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share and please subscribe my channel. You can follow me on my Instagram page, link is on my description box. Don't forget to go to that. I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye.